Good morning, dear students. Yesterday we completed exercise 1.4, right? Today the new topic is order of operations, right? Order. That means we have to follow the order. Which order we have to follow? BIDMAS. So B means what? Brackets. I means indices. Indices means what? Powers, like 2 square, 3 square. In last one class I explained you like 2 power 5. That means in power, right or no? That means 2 square means 2 is up, 4 square means 2 is upward, right or no? That is called indices. Next is division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. You have to follow these lines, okay? You have to follow these conditions. So first brackets, next indices. We don't have indices here. Next is division, next is multiplication, next is addition, then last one is subtraction. So these are the question now, right now? Look at the question properly. 4 plus 3 multiplied by 2 minus 1. And one more thing you have to remember in these questions, every time the symbol consider before the number. Like if I ask you what symbol 4 consider, so you said that plus 4. That means before 4 is what? Plus. Before 4 is what? Plus. Okay, like before 3 is plus, before 2 is multiplication, before 1 is minus. Okay, 1 is the negative symbol. Okay, so now what we have to use? Plus, multiplication and subtraction. Which one first? Then plus means addition, multiplication, subtraction. So what is the first one? Multiplication. So we have to do the multiplication first. Remaining write it as it is. 4 plus minus 1 write it as 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. So 4 plus 6 how much? 10. Because plus and minus means you have to do the plus first. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. Okay. Now in question number 2 there are two multiplication in one line. So we can multiply both. 6 multiplied by 2 is 12 plus 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. 12 plus 12 is 24. Clear? Now number 3. Here look at here multiply symbol and we have subtraction symbol. So which one we do it first? We have to do it multiplication first. We have to do it multiplication first, right or no? So 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15 minus 2 minus 7. Okay. Whenever you do one step remaining, you have to write it as it is. So again 15 minus 2 is 13. 13 minus 7 is 6. 13 minus 7 is 6. Or you can use it another method also here. 3 5s are 15, right? Here minus 2 minus 7. In one class I said that if the same symbols you have to add. If it is the same symbols you have to add. So minus 2 minus 7 how much? Minus 9. So 15 minus 9 how much? 6. You get your same answer. Okay. Now question number 4. Again in a question number 4 there is a plus symbol, there is a multiplication symbol, there is a negative symbol. So we have to do it multiplying first. So 4 multiply 8 write it as it is, plus then minus 40. 4 8s are 32. 8 plus 32 is 40. 40 minus 40 is 0. Okay. So we have to use the BIDMAS rule. Again here 6 minus 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4. There are three numbers together multiplication. You can multiply all together. 6 minus 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. Like 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. Okay. Now before 6 what symbol you have? Nothing means plus. That means different symbols, right or no? We learn already. Different symbols what we do? Subtraction. Different symbols, subtraction, right? So 24 minus 6 is what? 18. But whenever you subtract, after subtraction you have to check it which is the big number. So 24 is the big number. Before 24 what symbol have? Minus. So minus 18. Understand? Now question number 6. 7 multiplied by 4 plus 2 minus 3. Again in the bracket. Now we have bracket, multiplication and minus. So we have to first of all complete the bracket. So in the bracket only 7 write it as it is, multiply symbol, minus 3 write it as it is. 4 plus 2 how much? 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. Then multiply first. 7 multiplied by 6 is 42. 42 minus 3 is 39. 39. Okay, one more time you can revise this one. If the same symbols we have to add, like here 2, before 2 nothing means what? Plus. So 2 plus 6 is 8. Minus 2 minus 6 how much? Minus 8, because again same symbols. Same symbols add, different symbols subtract. Like here minus 2 plus 6. So different symbols subtract, but whenever you subtract, after subtraction you have to check it which is the big number. So 6 is the big number. Before 6 positive symbol, so positive no need to write, but negative you should write. Again here 2, before 2 nothing means what? Plus and minus. So different symbols we have to subtract. So 6 minus 2 is minus 4. Now look at question number 7. Question number 7. What is question number 7? 6 plus bracket 6 plus 3. Right? I'm sorry, 8 plus 6 plus 3 divided by 3. So what you have to do first of all? Bracket. So 6 plus 3 how much? 9. After that you have to do the division first. Right or no? Division and plus means division first, BIDMAS rule. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. So 8 plus 3 is 11. Now look at the question number 8. So 16 bracket. So first of all you have to solve the bracket. 2 plus 6 is 8, remaining write it as it is. 16 divide symbol plus 8, so 8. Then after that division first. So 16 divided by 8 is 2, 2 plus 8 equal 10. If you do the addition first, then the answer is different. Why? Because 8 plus 8 is 16. So 16 plus 16, 16 divided by 16 is 1. So you have to do it first of all division. Now question number 9 is what? 4 plus 4 multiplied by 4 minus 4. So we have to do the first of all multiplication. 4 4s are 16, this 4 as it is, this 4 is as it is. 4 plus 6 is 20, 20 minus 4 is 16. You can do it another method also. Here 4 means what? Positive 4. It is the negative 4. Directly you can cancel. So what remaining? 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. Directly you will get the answer. And here are two brackets. So 4 plus 4 is 8. Division symbol. 8 minus 4 is 4. So 8 divided by 4 is what? 2. And these are the questions from your workbook. These are the questions from your workbook. Workbook exercise 1.5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the questions. Do it by yourself now. And your homework is workbook exercise 1.5 from question number 6 to 10. These are do it now, 1 to 5 do it now, and these are the homework. I hope you understand the today's class work. If you have any more question, you can ask me in the next class. Thank you.